What a perfect day for some beach fun. I can already smell the delicious snacks.
Well, that didn't go as planned. Maybe I should work on my M.
Note to self, not all clear paths are actually clear. Who put that invisible wall there?
A little help here, friends. I think I've discovered a new kind of trap.
Ta-da! I call that move the tornado tumble. Totally meant to do that.
Either this fish tastes really weird, or I've made another brilliant mistake.
Well, that's one way to make an entrance. I'm practically a beach acrobat now.
What an adventure! Even the silliest days make the best memories. Please like and share this video.